Hey, what is on, guys? This is Cloud here. And today we got the unboxing for this package right here, which is the Supreme and Colgate collab for the toothpaste. Now, this is kind of a random unboxing. Is this rock bottom? Because I'm unboxing literally toothpaste for a YouTube video, but I think it's a fun thing to unbox. It's a very memeable item. It's a very fun item to collect, so that's why I decided to unbox it for a video. Because I haven't done an unboxing in a while, you guys haven't seen this kind of setup in a while, so hopefully you guys will enjoy this video. Thought about putting on that sweater for the different type of look for the video, but it got super hot, so let's not do that. Also, if you guys want to pick up this below average t-shirt, which is essentially my brand, you guys will have a chance to do so very soon, but let's get into the video, which is the unboxing for the Colgate. So one thing right off the bat that I'm not liking is that it comes in a package. It is a padded envelope, but it is an envelope instead of a box, which a box will protect the items a lot more, so that is not a good look. So hopefully I'll have at least one of them in good condition that I can put in my display box right there. So let's get this package open so we can see the Colgate. So let's take out the, I did not get a sticker pack, so I got this sticker right here, which is, I'm not sure which one is this one. I don't really remember the name of the different t-shirts, but you guys can see the various stickers right here that are the same design as the t-shirt. This does not look like I got a special box logo. I got the basic one only, which kind of sucks, but yeah, you guys can see that's everything I got. Let me see, is there anything else I'm missing in the package? Okay, no, the rest of the package is empty, so let's get to the toothpaste, which is nicely wrapped up, as you guys can see right here. All right, let's get into each box. So first box, we got a little bit of creasing right there, you guys. I'm not sure it doesn't come across on camera well, but there is a little bit of creasing on the box, which is not good. Second box, this one also does have a little bit of creasing right there, right here. I'm not sure, can you guys see it? It is kind of hard to tell come across on camera. This one right here, very minimal. They are in pretty good condition. There is a little bit of damage, but can you even consider it damage? Is still very good condition. There's just a little bit of a line right here, just right here. This one's probably the best condition one, and I think this one's probably the worst one. This one probably, it comes across on camera, I'm not really sure, can you guys see it? But down here there is a very visible crease, but that's really it. If I put it in my display, if I just put it on the side of no damage, then it obviously will come out as looking like it's perfect condition, which is nice because I do want to display these Colgates because they are very fun. I might end up selling one, giving one away, something like that. I don't know. These things will probably be fun to give away somebody for their birthday present, so I'll probably hold on to these things in case I ever need them for a giveaway or to use them as a gift. I think that these are very fun, so I'll hold on to these right here. Put away this wrapping paper. I might even reuse it one day if I need to ship something, but yeah, not really sure where I'm gonna put it in my box, but I'll just put them all in my case right now, and hopefully you guys can see it. It looks like you guys can't see it, but I have put it all in my case. Hopefully they don't tip over because I did stack them up, because my room is right on top of a garage, so when the garage opens, my room shakes. So I'm hoping that they don't tip over, but yeah, that's it. Kind of disappointed I didn't get one of the SMURFS stickers, but these are pretty nice stickers. These will go nice. I'm surprised I didn't get a sticker pack, because it seems whenever you get special stickers, they do come in a sticker pack, so it's kind of random that these don't come in a sticker pack, But it's nice, you got 4 stickers, so yeah, these will be fun. These will go in my collection. Also, I don't really sell my stickers. Even though I don't really use them, I don't really collect them either way. I don't know why I don't sell them. I have sold them in the past, and I do regret selling some of my nicer ones, like the special box logo ones. I kind of do want to grab a felt/velvet box logo. That's something that I might end up grabbing, but that's it. And I do really regret selling my undercover box logo sticker. That's probably my favorite sticker ever, maybe? I don't know. It was for sure the favorite sticker in my collection, so yeah. But that's it for this unboxing video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please drop me a like down below. Let me know what have you guys copped recently from Supreme and from any other brands, honestly. And that's it for this video. So drop me a like down below if you guys did enjoy the video. Subscribe to the channel if you guys enjoyed the video. I want to see more videos from me, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.
Run it out, get your bag right now, yeah. Light it out to your face right now.